Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over where you can change the phone number or the mobile number that is set up on your Sofi account. So what you're going to want to do, head on over to Sofi.com. I'll link their webpage down in the video description. Once you're over at Sofi's website, what you want to do is log in to your Sofi account. And then what we want to do is head on over to the upper right-hand corner where you'll find your name and your profile image. What we want to do is click on that. That's going to bring up this drop-down menu. And what we want to click on is where it says My Profile. And this is going to bring us over to the personal information page. And what we want to do is scroll down on this page until we find where our mobile number is located. And when you scroll down, eventually you should come across an area where it says phone number, mobile phone number, and then below that, it will list the phone number that you currently have set up with your Sofi account. All you have to do is just type in a different number where this area is located. And after you type in your new number that you want associated with your Sofi account, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. And once we get to the bottom of the page, we're going to find a save button. We want to click on this save option, and that's going to officially save that new number that we had entered in. And after you click save, it should take you back up to the top of the page, and you'll know it's saved successfully when it says your profile has been saved, and you should be good to go at that point in time. If you want, you can double check the number that you had switched to by scrolling down on your personal information page just to double check to make sure the proper phone number is in the phone number area. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.